Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best ovulation test strips that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Easy at Home 50 Ovulation Test Strips 20 Pregnancy. Trying to get pregnant, of course, there's an app for that. This kit from Easy at Home works much like other ovulation predictor kits in that you dip the test strips in urine and wait to see if your LH level is surging, meaning your chances of getting pregnant soon are at their peak. It comes with 50 ovulation tests and 20 pregnancy tests as well. What sets this kit apart is that you can also download the company's app and get digital test results right on your phone. It also allows you to track your menstrual cycle and symptoms so you have the best picture possible of your fertility. This pack comes with 50 ovulation test strips, so if you're anticipating a bit of a journey, this might be the option for you. This kit comes with 50 ovulation test strips that show a line you compare to a control line in the instructions to see if when LH is increasing in your urine. It also comes with 20 strips that detect the HCG that heralds a pregnancy. Moms love that this kit comes with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free and return it for a full refund if you're unhappy. This kit also comes in a smaller version with 40 LH strips and 10 HCG strips and a larger one with 100 LH and 20 HCG strips, so you can choose the best option for you. Number 2, Easy at Home Ovulation Test Strips 100 Pack Value Pack. If you're looking for value, this large-sized pack of 100 ovulation test strips should do the trick for a very reasonable price. These dip strips last most people many months of testing for ovulation, so they're a great pick if you anticipate tracking ovulation over a longer period of time. Reviewers like that, compared with more expensive brands. The Easy at Home ovulation test strips show similar LH surge results. In terms of cons, some people say they had a hard time interpreting the darkness of the test line to determine when they were ovulating. Still, these test strips seem to be a crowd favorite, and the brand has a simple-to-use app for scanning your test strips daily to keep track of results. The app also helps with interpretation, making it easier to determine when you're having a low, high, and peak fertility day. The monitor tracks both estrogen and LH levels. It can then provide information regarding the days when a person has the best chance at conception. The product features a touchscreen display for ease of use and easy-to-read results. A control line will always appear to indicate that the test is working. If the test line appears, there is LH in your system. The darker it is, the higher the concentration. Of course, digital tests can be more user-friendly as they give you a definitive answer that the test is working. If the test line appears, there is LH in your system. The darker it is, the higher the concentration. Of course, digital tests can be more user-friendly as they give you a definitive answer. Number 3, Pregmate 50 Ovulation Test Strips Predictor Kit. The Pregmate test strips come highly recommended in the baby center community. This kit comes with 50 test strips, more than enough to last a few months, and the number that most TTC moms feel comfy having in stock. But if you have a different number of strips in mind, you can buy these same strips in bundles from 10 to 100. Just dip a test strip into a cup of your urine and lay the strip flat. Once the test line is as darker than the control line, you'll know it's go time. Test results come in under 5 minutes. Pregmate is our best ovulation pregnancy test combo choice, as the pack contains 50 ovulation tests and 20 pregnancy test strips. So you'll have plenty of tests to track ovulation and check for pregnancy for several months. Both tests look essentially the same, but come in different colored packaging to make it easy to tell the difference. Simply dip a strip into your collected urine for 3 to 5 seconds, then lay it flat and wait 3 to 5 minutes to read the results. Reviewers love that the pregnancy tests included in this kit are very sensitive, meaning they can detect pregnancy before other less sensitive pregnancy tests. A potential con is that some reviewers find these ovulation tests difficult to interpret. As with most other ovulation test strips, 2 lines are not considered a positive result unless the test line is as darker than the control line. Number 4, Pregmate 50 Ovulation and 20 Pregnancy Test Strips. Pregmate is our best ovulation pregnancy test combo choice, as the pack contains 50 ovulation tests and 20 pregnancy test strips. So you'll have plenty of tests to track ovulation and check for pregnancy for several months. Both tests look essentially the same, but come in different colored packaging to make it easy to tell the difference. Simply dip a strip into your collected urine for 3 to 5 seconds, then lay it flat and wait 3 to 5 minutes to read the results. Reviewers love that the pregnancy tests included in this kit are very sensitive, meaning they can detect pregnancy before other less sensitive pregnancy tests. A potential con is that some reviewers find these ovulation tests difficult to interpret. As with most other ovulation test strips, 2 lines are not considered a positive result unless the test line is as darker than the control line. This handy gadget is used along with separate strips. Use a strip for a urine test and then place it in the touchscreen device to be read. The monitor will measure LH levels to identify your 2 peak fertile days, plus the 1 to 5 high fertile days leading up to them. It stores information from your last 6 cycles to customize your reading. Number 5 Wondfo 50 ovulation test strips and 20 pregnancy. These ovulation tests from Wondfo have neither bells or whistles, but they will help you determine when you're most fertile. There are 50 strips included, so they'll last you quite a while. To use, you collect some urine and dip one of the strips. After 3 to 5 minutes, it will let you know if your LH is surging, meaning your chances of conception are at their highest. When it comes to cost, this product gives you the most bang for your buck. With 50 strips and a bonus of 20 pregnancy test strips, you'll only be spending about $15 or less. They're reliable and they work. This test kit comes with 50 LH test strips, nice, clear instructions on when to test based on your own body, and 20 HCG pregnancy tests, so you can test for what you're really hoping for while you keep an eye on your ovulation. You can also buy this combo kit with 40 LH tests and 10 HCG strips, and 100 LH and 20 HCG strips. That said, others swear by the quality and price of these tests. They're an especially good option for those who are already familiar with how to use ovulation. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.